Hello friends, in this video let's talk about MySQL interview questions for beginners. So let me start a couple of basic questions in this video, and in the coming sessions I'll try to talk about some complex scenarios and interview questions. So first of all, let's start with a basic. So what would be the first question we might be getting in a fresher interview? What is MySQL? See, there are different ways of answering the question. So let me try in this way. So what is MySQL? See, MySQL is a kind of multi-threaded, multi-user SQL DBMS. Multi-user SQL database management system. It is one of the most popular, widely used open source database management system. In the recent days, Oracle acquired this. Now it is supported by Oracle. It's an Oracle supported relational database management system. Also, it supports a wide range of operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. And you can add many other points as well. This is the first version of MySQL, and currently I'm using 8.0 and so on like that. So let's try to answer like a 3 to 4 points whenever you get a question. So let's move on to the next question. How to fetch the data from two tables in the MySQL? So let us say there is a requirement to fetch the data from two tables in a single query. To club the data, to combine the data from two tables in a single select query. Of course, yes, joins. So joins is the answer which helps us to fetch the data from two tables. So you can fetch using inner join, you can fetch using left join, you can fetch using right join, or you can fetch the data between these two tables using cross join. If you have a self join requirement, you can use that as well. So based on your need or requirement, you need to specify the join here, either inner or right or left or cross. Next, so can I join the data from three tables in a single select query? Yes, of course, yes. You can put multiple tables join in a single join. In a single select query, you can put multiple tables and you can apply the joins. In a single SQL query, you can apply inner join, left join as well in a single query. So based on the requirement, the syntax is same. Select star from table 1, join table 2 on table 1 dot column equal to table 2 dot column. And again, if you want to use a kind of third table in a single join, let's use this way. Select star, I'm keeping for time being T1 join or inner join, whatever it is, T2 on T1 dot let us say call 1 equal T2 dot call 1. Call 1 is nothing but column 1. Okay, join. So I'm going to put it as table 3. T3 is nothing but table 3 on T2 dot call 2, for example, equal to T3 dot call 1. So, but see, I'm giving the different names here, but the purpose of the column is same actually. Okay, so as I mentioned here, it is inner join. Here you can use as a left join. It's up to you based on your need. But the answer is yes, you can put multiple tables based on your need. So what is the next question? How to get the list of databases or list of tables in MySQL server? So it's very easy. Let's quickly go to the my workbench, or like you can go to the command line. Okay, let's use any whatever the database you want to use. Example. So I'm using example. So let's type it, and once it database is selected, now you can put it as show databases. So you can see now what are all the list of database which are available in the server now. So example is created by me, and sample is created by me, and test has been created by me, and a couple of other system databases as well. So this is how you see the list of databases in the server. So now let us see how many tables are there in a single database. Let us say example selected. Now let us see in the same way. To see the list of tables, you can simply put show tables semicolon. Let's execute this. So if you see here in this database, I have two tables, DAPT and employee. So like if you want the list of tables in other database, you need to do that. Use what do you say, sample. Let me put it as sample. So let's select this. That's piece that select, and now sample selected. Now let's run the show tables. Now you can see here these many tables in the sample DB: customers, employees, offices, order details, orders, payments, product lines, and products. So it depends on the need or whatever you want. So this is how you see the list of tables or objects in a MySQL server. Next. So what is the difference between truncate and delete? This is one of the important question and important as well for the developer. So what is truncate? Okay, so what is delete? So let me write one or two things here, points. So truncate is a kind of DDL command, data definition command. Then delete is a kind of data manipulation language or data manipulation command. Okay, so next, so when you use a truncate, you cannot apply a where condition. So you will be removing the data, you will be deleting the data from the table in one shot. So one shot data deletion, I'm using the word, okay, deletion. Okay, next. So row by row you can delete it here, or you can apply a filter, row by row, or you can apply the filter. You can apply the filter. Okay. So, and once the data deleted in the truncate, so there is no way to get back. No way to get back. But here you can get the data back even after delete. Get the data back even after delete, even post delete. Okay, so this is one of the important, and you need to be careful while applying the truncate or delete. First of all, it removes the data from a table, and but there is a way to get back the data in case of delete, but it's a permanent delete when you use a truncate. So next one is, what is the difference between char and char and varchar, or char and varchar? See, like it was in the beginning days, you don't have these two data types. You have only char. So let me write down here char. See, char accepts the fixed length. Fixed length. Let us say I say the data type length as 20. It accepts the characters up to 20. That's it. Okay, so if you get more than 20 characters, then it gives you an error message saying that it's beyond the specified length. It is a variable length. Variable length. So even though you specify 20, it maximum accepts only 20 characters, but depends on the data, the memory will be occupied, memory will be allotted to the particular row. Let us say a couple of records are 3 characters only. Characters. Okay. So a couple of records are 15 characters. Characters. So in this case, if you specify that column as a varchar, so in this case, the compiler occupies only 3 characters size, and remaining it gives back to the server. In this case, it occupies only 15 characters and it gives back the remaining space to the server. But in this case, it is a fixed length. So even though you occupy all the 20 characters for every row or not, it allots the 20 characters and it blocks for the particular value itself. But anyway, both the cases, if you're trying to put it more than 20 characters, then it fails with error message saying that it's beyond the length. Truncation might be happening and all. Then way to use what in which cases. So when you have a specific requirement saying that it's a fixed length, so every time you get 20 characters, then better to go for char. So if you don't have a fixed requirement saying that it's a kind of variable length might come in the future, then you can go for varchar. So it depends on the requirement. So you need to decide whether varchar is suitable for you or character is suitable, character char data type is suitable for you. So that's all about it in this video. So let's talk about a couple of more entry questions in the next video. Thank you for watching. Not only this, if you have any questions in the RDBMS, please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you for watching.